about Paddy Pimblett, though.
He did a great job.
He did a great job.
He did what he had to do.
He did.
But for me, it's like I'm gonna be completely honest with you. For me, Chandler, he never was a extraordinary fighter. He was like average level of fighter. Like, who did he beat like in the UFC?
Dan Hooker and Tony Ferguson.
Dan Hooker.
Dan Hooker's a good fighter. Dan Hooker had that war with Dustin Poirier. Dustin Poirier's a very good fighter.
How many losses he had?
He's got a few losses. Yeah.
He's a good fighter. Very entertaining fighter.
Yeah.
Like for the fans.
He's a wild dog.
Yeah.
He
He's a
fights-
dog.
yeah.
He goes inside that octagon and he fights. But yeah.
I think he's on a resurgence. I think, he had a skid for a while, and now he's rebuilding himself, and he's on a resurgence. You smile. Look at you. Motherfucker.